Hello everybody, BNSF Lover here along with
Crosse WI EAS.
Yes, he was so nice and went to Goodwill in search of a WR-100 and he bought it for me, and then I paid him back today at the siren shoot. So I have a new WR-100 and I'm gonna unbox it in anticipation of some alerts, because we might be getting, there's a widespread severe weather event and storms are going to develop around here, so I want another radio so I can listen to different stations. So let's get started unboxing this and setting it up. Oh, and the Crosse WI EAS has his WR-100 here, so we'll go through it together. Okay. Coming from Goodwill, it looks like it's in pretty nice condition.
Yeah, I worked with it a little bit. I made sure he had a really good
Yeah.
Not gonna fail him, so.
Yeah. I've got the AC adapter plugged in. It's really tangled. Okay. Now, all plugs on my power strip are taken. Huh.
Yeah.
That like that. Phone down. Okay. That looks nice. Okay, now. Okay, my WR-100. Awesome.
Yeah.
Slowly. There.
Yeah.
Okay. This is just temporary position for it. Wait a second. Okay. Just something came up on IEM about it, but it was just a continue of a warning. Okay. So first, plug in. Plug her in.
Lab test.
Nothing came on when I plugged it in. Wait a second, is this... Okay. Maybe. No, nothing's happening.
Alright, guess you're going with batteries.
Yep, I'll get batteries. Okay, let's do this. Batteries. Oh, there already are batteries in it.
They must be dead because they came from a store, so yeah.
Okay. Take the batteries out. Oh, they're Walgreens brand.
Nice. You know what that means? It's probably set up by a meteorologist.
Oh.
Because they have those setup sessions.
Oh yeah, when they program them.
You program them.
Okay. Okay. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I think I know how to do this. Menu time select, it's 3:33. 333. Light. LT norm. Alert test. I'm gonna do the alert test.
Yeah, go ahead.
Awesome. Alert type, voice, same set. I'm gonna do all.
You can do same set, Eddie.
Yep. Channel.
After midnight.
Oh, it's already on 7.
Wednesday. Mostly sunny. A 50% chance of showers and thunder.
Select. There. That was quick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sunny with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Heat index readings 95 to 100.
Awesome.
Winds 10 to 15 miles
Sad
an
that
hour.
the power thing won't work, but
Taking a look at the 4 to 7 day forecast for the La Crosse area. For Wednesday night, partly cloudy. A 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the upper 50s.